Hello everyone, hope so all are doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix fingerprint sensor not responding or fingerprint sensor not working problem on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to fix fingerprint sensor problem on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all just need to restart your device and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.